we've included another quick segment demonstrating the draw sequence that, quite frankly, is a little bit controversial. We know that we are going to ruffle some feathers by showing you this, but we feel it's our duty to you, our customers, to give you this info without pulling any punches. We all know that you don't put your finger on the trigger until you're ready to shoot. The intent of this rule is to ensure that you have acquired a target and know what is in front of and behind the target. Traditionally, this means your finger stays off the trigger until you have acquired both the front and rear sights and are aligned on the target. For the purposes of this advanced training, we are suggesting a new caveat to this rule. Never put your finger on the trigger until a target is acquired and that target is in the line of fire, regardless of whether or not you have acquired the sights.
Hey, quick announcement about a flash sale. I'm giving away this stunning foot-long fixed blade full tang knife along with an awesome sheath to the first 200 guys who get to the link in the description. It's called the Titan. I just call it the big ass knife. The closest thing I can compare it to is a classic K-bar, and if you want this $70 knife for just shipping, you'll have to act fast. Okay, back to our video.
To explain this advanced technique, we've brought in former Navy SEAL Frank Cucci. Frank spent 12 years as a Navy SEAL, including 4 years in SEAL Team 6, the most elite division of the program. Everything Frank teaches comes from real-life combat experience.
This is the first finger that finds the weapons, okay? This finger is outside of your holster, all right? But as soon as you can, you're going to put your finger on the trigger. Because like I said, if you have to, right from here, you're going to take that shot, okay? I mean, if you get jammed up here, we're going to talk about different scenarios. We're going to talk about how to search and clear your home, okay, tactically using the cover concealments that's provided, and how to, in an experimental situation, if you had to enter your home knowing that there was a bad guy in there, how to do it, okay? So if you come around a corner possibly, or you're drawing your weapon, and you're in a jam situation, you have someone right on top of you, you know, that's a heck of a time to be looking for your triggers, okay? So as soon as, this finger is kind of a guide, this pointer finger here, as soon as it clears the holster, I'm on that trigger, and my barrel is pointed towards the target. Slack is coming out of the trigger. I acquire my front sight as soon as I can, finish the trigger full, okay? A lot of this stuff, we're going to go quickly through this. We're going to get out on the range because that's what we need to do, but we want to do this now to minimize some of the mistakes that may be made out there, okay? All right, let's continue on. Tom,
we want to reiterate on this real quick. And I realize a lot of you have been through different shooting courses. And yeah, the normal shooting course, they tell you don't put your finger on the trigger until you got a target in your sight. But keeping in mind what we're saying is basically the same thing, is you're acquiring your target a lot faster, okay? And you know, you're shooting steel and you're shooting paper, but most of the experience here comes from shooting at people or being shot at. Okay, the paper doesn't shoot back. So what we're trying to reinforce in your mind is you want to get that barrel on the target as soon as possible. The barrel or the target equates out to some idiot out there with a gun that's shooting back at you or your family, and you're trying to survive. Okay, that doesn't mean squeeze it off. So you're really going to have to reinforce. This is not a basic course, okay? This is not a basic course. Make sure you're safe. Make sure you got your barrel on the target, covered on the target. Make sure you don't have your hand in front of the barrel or you'll be making a trip to the van. Okay? So take it slow. Don't try and take it fast. And just think about what we're doing. Nobody's, no timers on you now. All the timers are turned off.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.